Good morning, welcome to Central Carolina Hospital. I am so pleased that we are here today to celebrate this important project that has been in the works for many, many years. As many of you know, Lee County is experiencing unprecedented growth over the next 5 to 7 years, and we need to be positioned for that growth as well.
When I first came on board here in 1999, our patient volume was about 20,000 patients a year. That's increased to 30,000 in the same space. So what will this renovation do? It will make space more usable, more efficient, make it more comfortable for patients and for staff.
The design and flow of this ED will allow for us to partner better with EMS throughout the community as ambulances are allowed to come in and triage and work faster through so they can get back and out to the community and address that golden hour of need for so many patients in this growing population.
Since 2016, I've seen the hospital make tremendous strides in the way it serves the community. We've improved patient safety and quality, added new specialties and providers, and invested in new facilities and equipment. The new ED will allow the hospital to provide an even higher level of care to more patients.
This project will include a complete remodel and reorganization of the existing 13,500 square feet of the ED. The project will renovate all the existing rooms, clinical decision area fast track, increase the capacity to 20 rooms, including triage and trauma.
This hospital has a huge impact in this community. And think about what this $11 million investment is going to do. It's going to turn this hospital into a center where people immediately think, I'm going there first. Because really, don't all of us want to have health care local? You know, we want to be able to see our friends and our family, and we don't want to have to transport them somewhere else and then have to drive an hour or two to be able to see them.
This is an exciting day for our community, for Central Carolina Hospital, for Sanford, for Lee County, and the entire region.